Negotiable Instruments Act, Section 111, Liability of Acceptor for Honor. Section 111 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881 explains the liability of an acceptor for honor of a bill of exchange and defines the extent of the obligation undertaken by such acceptor. The section also specifies the rights available against the party for whose honor the bill was accepted and prior parties, while laying down the conditions under which the acceptor for honor becomes liable to the holder. 1. Meaning of acceptor for honor. An acceptor for honor is a person who is not originally liable on a bill of exchange but voluntarily accepts it after it has been protested for non-acceptance or for better security. The acceptance is made to protect the honor or credit of a party already liable on the bill, and the acceptor for honor undertakes to pay if the original drawee or acceptor fails to do so. 2. Purpose of Section 111. The object of Section 111 is to define the liability of the acceptor for honor towards the holder and the rights of reimbursement available against other parties, thereby protecting commercial credit while ensuring fairness to the person who voluntarily undertakes such liability. 3. Liability towards subsequent parties. The section provides that an acceptor for honor binds himself to all parties subsequent to the party for whose honor he accepts the bill. Accordingly, if the original drawee fails to pay, the acceptor for honor becomes liable to such subsequent parties and acts as an alternative source of payment in the event of default. 4. Condition of liability. The liability of the acceptor for honor arises only if the drawee fails to pay the bill at maturity and the required legal formalities are complied with, making such liability secondary and conditional. 5. Rights of acceptor for honor against prior parties. The section further provides that the party for whose honor the acceptance is made, together with all prior parties, is liable to compensate the acceptor for honor. Accordingly, if the acceptor for honor pays the bill, he may recover the amount paid and any loss or damage suffered, thereby protecting him from personal financial loss. 6. Liability in respective capacities. The parties liable to compensate the acceptor for honor remain liable in their respective capacities, with each party's responsibility being determined according to their position on the bill. 7. Requirement of proper presentment. The section also imposes conditions before an acceptor for honor can be held liable by the holder of the bill. The bill must be presented for payment, or forwarded for presentment where required, within the prescribed time so as to ensure fairness to the acceptor for honor. 8. Presentment by the day next after maturity. The bill must be presented or forwarded for presentment no later than the day after its maturity, ensuring prompt action by the holder, as delay beyond this period may discharge the acceptor for honor from liability. 9. Cases where forwarding is necessary. If the acceptor for honor provides an address on the bill different from the place where the bill is payable, the bill must be forwarded to that address for presentment, thereby giving the acceptor a proper opportunity to honor the bill. 10. Reason for strict requirement. The law imposes prompt presentment requirements because acceptance for honor is a voluntary and exceptional liability, ensuring that the acceptor receives a timely opportunity to pay and is not prejudiced by unnecessary delay. For more details, contact us.